Nag-mature na yung pag-ibig MP2 mo. Pwede mo ba siyang i-claim nang hindi pumupunta sa office? Pwedeng-pwede basta meron kang pag-ibig loyalty cash card that also functions as an ATM. Step 1, go to the virtual pag-ibig website. No need to log in, click mo lang itong claim pag-ibig savings. Step 2, select MP2 savings maturity. Step 3, prepare your documents. Claim application form, valid ID, pag-ibig loyalty card.
And selfie with your ID.
If wala ka nung card, sa pagkakaalam ko, kailangan talaga pumunta sa branch kasi check yung ire-release nila. While you can submit the application online, you still need to go to the branch to claim the check. Step 4, validate your account number by entering it. Step 5, validate your account details and select Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. Step 6, upload your documents and click submit. Step 7, get the reference number. You will receive an SMS and pwede mo din i-check yung status ng application mo online. Ikaw, share mo naman yung experience mo sa pag-claim ng matured MP2 savings account mo para we can all learn together. Disclaimer, hindi po ako tagapag-ibig. This content is for educational purposes only based on personal experience and research. This is Kimi, your adulting companion. Sasamahan ka sa adulting journey mo. Comment MP2 Part 9 kung gusto mo malaman kung pwede bang i-pre-terminate yung MP2 savings mo.